Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all would be learning new things daily and would be utilizing your precious time. Today your English teacher Rekha is here with a new things, a new lecture, that is how to write emails. In olden days, people used to write letters to their friends, their relatives, but in modern time, people use electronic gadgets. They use multimedia. Email is actually electronic mail. Today we will teach you how to write email. Let's see. Before writing email, some points are there that should be keep in mind. The first one is include a clear direct subject line. It means when you write email, the subject should be mentioned clearly. The second one is don't use hey or any informal salutation at formal places. Suppose you are writing an email at formal place. If you will write hey as salutation, it will not look nice, right? You should use hello or any other formal salutation at formal places. If you are writing email to your friend or relative, then you can use hey. The next point you have to keep in mind, avoid to use nickname. If you are writing email at formal places, don't use nickname without a permission. Fine. The next point you have to keep in mind, avoid using casual words. If you are writing for job proposal or any official purpose, you are writing email, you should avoid using casual words at formal places, but at informal places, when you are writing to your friend, to your relative, you can use casual words. Avoid using too much exclamation mark. While writing emails, some people use exclamatory mark, but we should avoid using too much exclamation mark. The next point is use crisp and to the point information. The information should be to the point and it should be crispy, and we should write the email within 50 to 80 words. The next point is closing should be complimentary. We should give a complimentary close to our emails like regards. We can use regard. I will show you the sample. The next point that should be kept in mind is proofread for grammar and spellings. So before you write an email, you post an email, you should always proofread for grammar and spellings. The next point is email can be either formal or informal. So these are the points you have to keep in mind before writing the emails, because a bad email can spoil your reputation. Even it can damage your relationship sometimes. Now I am going to show you how to write email. So here is the format to write email. Firstly, we skip one line. After skipping the line, we start writing email. In the beginning, we write the email ID of the sender. Means if I am writing to here, my email ID will be there. Suppose Sonia @gmail.com. This is the ID of senders who is sending the mail, and to whom he is or she is sending. Here we will have to write his or her ID. Suppose I am writing to Mohan @gmail.com. So we should know the ID of the person to whom we are writing the email. Fine. Next, we will have to write date. Suppose We are writing on 28th June 2020. Fine. In digits, we have to write firstly the date, then we have to mention the month, then the year. And then we have to mention the subject. Subject should be clearly mentioned. Through this, the receiver of the email will be able to learn what is the topic, why you have written the email to him or her. Then after writing the subject, you have to skip one more line. Fine. The subject should be relevant and to the point. And relevance. Specify. After skipping one line after the subject, we have to give a salutation remark. Suppose we are writing to a person to whom we are not so much familiar. So we use sir or ma'am. But suppose if we are writing to our relatives, to our friends, so we can use Mr. Mehra, Mr. So and so, whatsoever. Fine. After salutation, we will have to skip one more line. Then it comes the part main body. Main body should be written within 50 to 80 words. So our body of email should be very much relevant to the point. Words should be there, specific language should be there. We should omit the casual word as I have told you earlier. After writing the main body should be within 50 to 80 words. After writing the main body, we will skip one more line. Fine. After skipping one more line, we will write regards. Give a complimentary clause. To give a complimentary clause, we will write here regards. Then the sender's name will be here. In this place, after regards, there will be sender's name. This is the format to write emails. I hope this will help you to write emails to your friends, relatives and at formal places also. See you in our next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.